Good morning, Southwest Water. I'm Fox 4 meteorologist Trent Eric. Today we're going to continue being hot, but instead of being completely dry, we've got the chance to pick up some rainfall here today. Now, don't get real excited because not everyone is going to see the rain here today, but a weak cold front sliding in from the north is going to help trigger some showers and a couple of thunderstorms, but the wind is going to be west to east like the last couple of days. So what that's going to do is when we see a couple of showers develop here close to the interstate around lunchtime, they are quickly going to get a push inland. So Glades, Hendry County, and the northern parts of Collier have the best chance of picking up some rainfall here today because that westerly wind is quickly going to continue to push those showers and storms inland. And you can see the computer modeling by 8 o'clock showing most of the activity over along the I-95 corridor as we dry out, and then heading into Friday with that frontal boundary still kind of lingering, we'll see the same idea. Showers developing close to the interstate with the activity closer to Lake Okeechobee. But at least we're seeing signs here of wet weather in the afternoon hours. Now we'll talk more about the Memorial Day forecast in just a little bit. Our rainfall deficits have been growing this week, and they'll likely continue to grow as the rain will miss the sensors here today. We're approaching 5.5 there in Naples. Punta Gorda will likely eclipse 5 inches here in the days ahead, and we do get an update from the U.S. Drought Monitor about 9 a.m. this morning. Our temperatures are in the mid to upper 70s here this morning, and with that wind picking up today, we will definitely get right back in the 90s. The temperature change for DeSoto and Charlotte County up some 4 to 5 degrees. And as that wind begins to pick up, and gosh, you can see the northwesterly component and then coming out of the west 15 to 20 miles per hour. Our high temperatures will climb up to about 93 along the coastline, mid 90s inland, much like yesterday. And you factor in the humidity, and we'll still see some areas get up over the 100-degree mark before that wet weather cools us down, and we're right back in the 70s here overnight. Across the rest of the country here, we're watching area low pressure off to the north and a couple of cold fronts. This first one is the one that's going to help trigger our wet weather here in the days ahead, but very gloomy and very wet there from roughly Indianapolis all the way over towards New York. And the big picture shows a couple of things happening. The front lingering and kind of fizzling out over the next couple of days, pushing showers and thunderstorms towards the other coast. But watch Saturday. We're going to see afternoon showers and thunderstorms up and down the state. That's our rainy season pattern trying to kick in. So we are at least going to keep an isolated chance of rain each and every day over the Memorial Day weekend as our temperatures stay above average through next Wednesday.